Hi everybody, today we have a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. It's a 4x4, it's a TRD package. It has a 3.5 liter V6. The customer's moving out of state for a while. He wanted me to check it out. First thing I did is I drove it. The thing wouldn't get out of its own way. So I know it's got a bunch of carburetor in the engine, needs a fuel injection cleaning. Next I started looking it over. I found out it had the original battery from 2017. And it has little caps on it, and so the fluid leaks out when he goes off-roading, and that causes some corrosion and things like that. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So this is the original battery that came with it, and when you get this corrosion under here like this, and the corrosion here, these vents, when he goes off-roading, you can see where the acid comes out, and it leaks on the connections, and on the tray bracket that holds it down, and on the tray below it. So we've upgraded it. This has let's see, 582 cold cranking amps, and we're going to put one in with 725 cold cranking amps. So it's quite a bit of an upgrade. As you can see, the top's all flat, so it's vented on the corners here, so it won't get corrosion on the terminals. And then straight from Toyota, you can buy the positive terminal end. So instead of trying to clean that up, because it'll be all corroded on the bottom, we'll just put a new terminal end on it. And this battery comes with a 30-month warranty on it. So all you have to do is call the phone numbers in a different state. You just call that toll-free number on the top, and then they'll provide you with the closest location that actually sells that battery. So then we'll get it up on a lift, and we'll take a look at his brake pads and things like that. We've already done the fuel injection cleaning on it. That's why we had the boot off here. And you've seen me do a lot of those videos in the past. This one goes in the fuel tank to clean the fuel injector spray pattern off the injectors themselves, which has 6 of them. And then this one is for the air intake cleaning system, for the throttle body, for the PCV valve system, EGR system, anything that has to do with the air intake. And this last one is specifically designed just to clean the back of the intake valve on the cylinder head. So that's what that's all about. So that's already done. We'll get his battery in, we'll get the new terminal end on there, get that all cleaned up. Then we'll get it up on a lift. We'll check his transmission fluid, differential fluid. This will have a front differential and a transfer case. So we'll look this all over real close for him. We already told him he needs some tires. They're close to the wear bars. They have about 30 seconds left. So he's going to be driving quite a distance. Let's get new tires on it now, because he's going to be hauling a little small trailer and things like that, and get the vehicle ready for his trip. So thank you very much. Have a great day.